Alright, right now the time is 2:05. We almost 10 people are here close to Kimsam house. That is a Kimsam house. So most of them using Honda Click. As far as I can see, this is the longest ride I'm doing in Philippines. 150 kilometer. It is already mind-blowing. I almost driving 80 kilometer per hour. It's very exciting. We have almost 20 people right now. More than 15 vehicles. We made just a quick stop. Right now it's 2:50. So we are in maybe around 30%? 30% on the way?
1%.
1%?
99% pa.
Still 99% bending, okay? I have no idea where we are going. One thing I know, I have to keep up my speed with them. They are all very experienced riders. Before we start our ride, we took a group photo. It was fantastic. Okay. There's a quick shot. Very early our journey, one of my crew members' bike tire got punctured. So we have to split the group into two. Unfortunately, Kim Sung is the captain. He have to stay back and take care of the problem. The other group continue the journey as planned before. Now the time almost 5:20. Still 60 kilometers I have to go. All my crew filling up the gas over here.
You need gas?
It is full.
Full? Okay,
Yeah.
that's good.
When I come over here, I make it full.
Okay.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. As you can see, this is my first experience riding with the bike riders. It is not that easy to keep up the speed with them. They all have so much of experience, but I am a newbie. Fortunately, some of the crew members keep an eye on me and watch out for me, so I should not lost in the journey. That is so sweet. Whatever happened in this video, it is in real time according to their schedule and plans. I am just riding along with them. This is the place I really want to stop and take a drone shot. This place looks very beautiful and very good straight road. The road have a both side rice field, and one side you have a mountain on the corner, and the other side sun is rising. As you can see, it was a very missed opportunity for the drone shot. I was really sad, but we are traveling this beautiful place 80 km per hour speed, not even take a drone shot. I was really disappointed and very sad. If I really want to stop here, I'm definitely going to lose them. So I really don't want to lose them. I just keep up the speed with them. Later I came to know they are going this speed because they want to catch up the sunrise in a beautiful location and viewpoint, which is located 10 km away from this location. That place called Ampere beach. It was a very good coastline. As you can see, this is the Ampere bridge, which is beautiful. Another missed opportunity for drone shot. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you. Finally, we arrived at the Ampere beach coastline. It looks spectacular with the sunrise view. As you can see, this place packed with lot of people already enjoying the sunrise. We are looking for a good spot to park our vehicle and take the drone shot. Unfortunately, Kim Song not in the drone shot.
Spending my time.
Almost 5:51 right now. Sunrise. Look at the place. Beautiful. Yeah. Look at that. The coastline is fantastic. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you.